This video is not here to scare you. It's here to protect you. Because what most people call old age is often not age at all. It's the result of small daily habits repeated quietly for years. Let me say this clearly. You are not weak. Your body is just asking for better care. And today, I'm going to show you how a few simple morning habits can slow aging by years, improve circulation, reduce joint pain, and help you feel stronger again. Doctors rarely talk about these habits because they don't come in a pill bottle, but science supports them. And real seniors who change these habits often feel the difference within weeks. So, why do mornings matter so much after 60? Well, after 60, your body works differently. Your muscles lose strength faster. Your joints lose lubrication overnight. Your blood circulation slows down, and your cells become more sensitive to stress, dehydration, and inflammation. This means what you do in the first 90 minutes of your day sets the tone for how fast or slow your body ages. Think of your morning like starting an old car. If you push it hard immediately, the engine wears out faster. But if you warm it up gently, it runs smoother for years. Now, let's talk about the first silent mistake millions of seniors make every morning. Morning mistake number 1: drinking tea or coffee on an empty stomach. Many people wake up, and the very first thing they do is drink tea or coffee. It feels comforting. It feels normal. But after 60, this habit can quietly damage your body. Here's why. Tea and coffee are acidic. When you drink them on an empty stomach, they irritate the stomach lining, increase acid production, and raise stress hormones like cortisol. Over time, this leads to weak digestion, poor nutrient absorption, joint inflammation, increased anxiety, and even faster muscle loss. And here's the part most people don't realize. Poor digestion means that even if you eat healthy food later, your body can't absorb it properly. This leads to weakness even when you think you're eating just fine. So, what should you do instead? Before tea or coffee, give your body what it actually needs first. Start with a glass of warm water. You can add a few drops of lemon or even a pinch of soaked chia seeds. This gently wakes up your digestion, hydrates your joints, and improves blood flow to your muscles. Then wait about 20 to 30 minutes before having your tea or coffee. This one change alone can reduce morning stiffness and improve your energy within days. Next up, morning mistake number 2: skipping protein at breakfast. This is one of the biggest causes of weakness after 60. Many seniors eat toast, biscuits, or just fruit for breakfast, or maybe just tea. These foods raise blood sugar, but they do not protect your muscles. After 60, your body needs more protein, not less. Because muscle loss, also called sarcopenia, is one of the strongest predictors of falls, joint pain, poor balance, and loss of independence. Studies show that older adults who eat protein in the morning maintain their strength longer and age more slowly. So, what happens when you skip protein? Your muscles break down for energy, your joints lose support, your metabolism slows down, fat increases, and weakness increases. This isn't because you're old, it's because your muscles are starving. You don't need heavy food. Just one of these simple protein options is enough. 1 or 2 eggs, some Greek yogurt, paneer or cottage cheese, a handful of soaked nuts, or even some lentils or dal in a protein-rich porridge. Protein in the morning tells your body, protect muscle, protect joints, stay strong. Now let's continue, because the next few habits are the ones that silently steal strength, damage joints, and make many seniors believe their body is giving up, when in reality, it's just being misunderstood. Morning mistake number 3, sitting too much after waking up. After waking up, many seniors sit for long periods. Sitting on the bed, on the sofa, with the newspaper, or watching TV. It feels harmless. But after 60, this is one of the fastest ways to increase stiffness and leg pain. Here's what happens inside your body. During sleep, your blood flow slows down, your joints dry out slightly, and your muscles shorten. When you sit immediately after waking, circulation stays slow, joints stay stiff, and your muscles don't wake up. This leads to knee pain, hip stiffness, lower back discomfort, poor balance, and a higher risk of falling. This isn't weakness. This is a lack of movement at the wrong time. What should you do instead? You don't need exercise. You just need gentle movement. Within 10 to 15 minutes of waking up, stand up. Walk slowly for 2 to 5 minutes. Roll your shoulders. Open and close your hands. This sends a message to your brain. Circulation on joints lubricate. Muscles protect. Even doctors agree. Movement is medicine after 60. Moving on to morning mistake number 4, not drinking enough water. Many seniors avoid water because they don't feel thirsty or they fear frequent urination. But dehydration is one of the biggest causes of joint pain, muscle cramps, dizziness, fatigue, and poor circulation. As we age, our thirst signal weakens. This means you can be dehydrated without even feeling thirsty. When the body lacks water, blood thickens, joints lose cushioning, muscles tire faster, and inflammation increases. This creates pain that feels like aging, but is actually just dehydration. So, what should you do instead? After waking, drink 1 full glass of water. Then have another after 20 or 30 minutes. Sip slowly. Don't force it. By mid-morning, your joints should feel smoother and your mind should feel clearer. Water isn't optional after 60. It's essential. And now for morning mistake number 5. Avoiding sunlight. Many older adults stay indoors, especially in the morning. They fear the heat, the fatigue, or just the discomfort. But avoiding sunlight creates silent damage. Morning sunlight helps the body produce vitamin D, strengthen bones, reduce joint inflammation, improve mood, and regulate sleep. Without enough sunlight, bones weaken, muscles lose strength, pain increases, and immunity drops. This increases the risk of fractures, osteoporosis, and chronic pain. So, what can you do? You don't need harsh sunlight. Just 10 to 15 minutes of morning sunlight on your arms and face. Preferably before 10 a.m. You can sit, stand, or walk gently. Sunlight tells your body, stay strong, stay balanced, stay alive. Now, let's talk about something hidden, something emotional. The fear of movement. This is very real. Many seniors stop moving because they fear pain or falling. But here is the truth. Avoiding movement causes more pain than movement itself. When you stop moving, your muscles weaken, your joints stiffen, your balance worsens, and your fear increases. This creates a vicious cycle. Fear leads to less movement, which leads to more pain, which leads to more fear. The body becomes fragile not because of age, but because of inactivity. Remember, you do not need intense exercise. You need gentle walking, daily movement, and confidence in your body. Movement preserves independence. Now, let's talk about the habit that quietly inflames the body at night and shows up as pain, stiffness, and weakness the next morning. Most people never connect the two. It's the hidden aging trigger, late-night eating. After 60, digestion slows down naturally, but many seniors eat heavy dinners, late-night snacks, or sweetened fried foods at night. The problem isn't just weight. When you eat late, your digestion stays active during sleep, inflammation increases, your blood sugar stays high, and your joints don't get a chance to repair overnight. This leads to morning stiffness, swollen fingers, knee pain, fatigue, and poor sleep quality. Your body repairs itself at night. Late eating interrupts that repair. The solution? Finish dinner at least 2 to 3 hours before you go to sleep. Keep dinner light and avoid sugar and fried foods at night. A light dinner allows for better sleep, less inflammation, and smoother joints in the morning. And this is really important. Some foods silently damage aging joints. They feel normal, but they quietly worsen inflammation after 60. Foods to limit or avoid include white bread and biscuits, sugary snacks, deep-fried foods, excess salt, and packaged processed items. These foods increase joint swelling, reduce circulation, and damage cartilage over time. Instead, choose foods that calm inflammation. Things like fruits and vegetables, nuts and seeds, lentils and beans, healthy fats like olive oil, and warm, home-cooked meals. These foods support joint lubrication, muscle repair, and better circulation. Food is information for your body. Choose wisely. So, let's bring everything together in a simple morning routine that can slow aging. This routine takes less than 30 minutes and can protect your body for years. Here's a healthy morning flow after 60. Wake up calmly, drink a glass of warm water, do some gentle movement for 3 to 5 minutes, have a light protein-rich breakfast, and get a little bit of short sunlight exposure. This routine improves circulation, reduces joint pain, protects your muscles, and slows aging naturally. Remember, consistency matters more than perfection. My final message to you is this: aging is not punishment. It is communication. Your body is not failing you. It is asking you to listen. Small daily habits create big changes over time. And remember, you are not weak. You are becoming wiser about your body. Take care of it, and it will take care of you. If this video helped you even a little, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with someone you care about. We post simple, trusted tips every day to help you stay strong, active, and healthy at any age. Thank you for being here and take good care of yourself.